Yo, what is up, bro? Glad to see you back here for another one. Today I've got a bunch of stuff to talk to you about, and also, you can see here in the background, the engine has the head on it. What's going on there? Well, I don't know. Let's find out.
Go back.
Hey, so right off the bat, guys, if you get value out of my content and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, please. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize my channel, and then once I do that, YouTube will grab my videos and they will start putting them through the algorithm much more than they are now. And also, hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds, and it helps me out big time. Again, the YouTube algorithm will grab my videos and it'll start putting them through the roof if it sees a large engagement rate. Now, with that said, first I want to start off with social media. We'll get to the engine here in a second, don't worry. But first I want to start off with social media. So, for some reason I didn't think about this before. I already have Snapchat, I've had it for a decade. And so I made a second Snapchat just for you guys so I can update you on the engine build and everything like that. And then I can make these vlog, kind of like intermediate videos, less specifically about updates and more about just general stuff that's more interesting so I can attract more of an audience, okay? So if you guys want updates on the engine from this point forward, or the whole build itself or anything like that, hit me up over on Snapchat. Here is my handle and everything. I'll also have a link down in the description for you guys. And so that's that. Hit me up over there, guys. I really want to see you over there, please, okay? So next, all right, let's take a look at this engine. Okay, so we got the head on. Got the valves and the cams and everything. This thing's almost ready to go. All of the mechanical stuff is done except for the timing chain. No more parts sitting over here in boxes. I've only got the exhaust sprocket and a couple bolts, things like that. Old parts, none of that's going in. Okay. And next was coming up with this valve cover, oil pan, and the baffle. These guys are going to get pressure washed, and then because they've been sitting in here while I've been doing grinding and things, and I don't want to accidentally get grit into the oil. And then they're going to go into the engine. Okay, and I actually need to take some things out of this. If you look in here, there's like little you can see all those screws right there, down in here and down on that side too. I'm going to take those plates out, and then I'll pressure wash it, and then I'll put it back in into the inside and out. And the oil pump, I'm just gonna wipe that down. But that is gonna be in the next video. But the video after this one is going to be getting the head done and getting it to this state here. I'm already editing that up. It's just gonna take some time before that's all the way done. Okay, with that out of the way, hopefully I've still got you sticking around. Let me grab this turbo. Okay, so the next thing I wanna talk about, there is no internal wastegate in this turbo. So unfortunately, that means I would need to put an external wastegate for this turbo, and I don't want to do that. So I want to keep this as simple as possible. Luckily, I sized this turbo specifically for this engine, so I'm pretty sure I can get away with running this without a wastegate as long as I make sure that I don't overspool it, because that's the danger. Is without a wastegate, this gets all of the exhaust gases and it can push the turbine and in turn the compressor too fast, and you can go outside of the like 130, 150, 170K RPM that this is rated for. Yes, 130,000, 150,000 RPM. And so to avoid that, I'm gonna see if there's a way to put a sensor in here to check for the speed that this is rotating. That way I can make sure that I'm not gonna run into compressor surge, because that's what happens when you overspool your turbos. You get compressor surge, and that's not good. So that's something else with the turbo. And lastly, so I've had a couple of users ask me about doing a parts buying guide for this, because parts are kind of hard to find, and also it would be good to have a list of just everything that you would need to get this done. So what I'm gonna do for you guys in the next couple of episodes, I will upload a guide for everything that you need to do the engine. So that's gonna be all the bearings, the rings, the timing components, gaskets, everything like that, so that you guys know everything that you need, and then you can go back and look at all the videos with already a list of stuff that that you need to buy. Hopefully you already have all your parts, okay? Remember guys, hit me up on Snapchat, please. I want to see you guys over there. I want to give you guys updates. Sometimes there's things that I want to say that just I can't make a video out of it, you know? And it just would be pointless to do a 30-second video or whatever. So Snapchat is definitely the way to go. Hit me up over there. Again, my stuff's gonna be down in the description so you can add me over there. If you're getting value out of this, like the video, please. And if you're watching my videos, if you're being a ninja watcher, please subscribe, okay? It helps me big time when you guys subscribe. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I can monetize my channel and YouTube will start grabbing my videos and throwing them up in the algorithm. YouTube does not like showing videos that they don't make money off of. And so I don't care about the money that I'm gonna make for me. It's gonna take me years to get enough people to actually make money from watching my videos. However, YouTube wants to see that. Okay, YouTube wants to see videos monetized, and so that means I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. I have some plans for some videos coming up here soon that are going to be interesting, that will hopefully get me up there pretty quickly, and I have some other tactics and things going on, and hopefully with Snapchat, doing update stuff on Snapchat with the engine, it's going to free me up to do some more interesting things here to, again, attract a larger, more broad audience that's not specific to the M104. Thanks guys, I appreciate you, and I want to hear your feedback. Leave a comment down in the description about anything that you want to see, anything you want to hear, and also about the turbo not running a wastegate. What do you think about that? I think it's gonna be fine because it's sized properly, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. But let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time.